Hey guys, I am officially going crazy. I cannot handle this quarantine anymore. So I am going to do a video toning my hair today. So when you're toning your hair, it's not gonna cover gray. This is just to change the tone of your highlights, or in some cases of your natural hair. And this washes out like every 8 weeks. It is better for your hair. I'm just gonna paint where I see the highlights. I'll get it on my pants. Just kind of flop this over. I'm getting this all over my pants. I'm just gonna brush through my hair just to make sure it's even. I'm gonna process for 15 minutes because I just want to tone everything down. I don't want to completely cover up my highlights, and I know they're gonna fade out. This hair was starting to look kind of fuzzy, and whenever I put toners in my hair, it lays the cuticle back down. And I also deposit vitamin E with all of my color, so it adds a lot more shine instead of looking super dry and really blonde. So hopefully this will look, you know, a lot healthier. She got color all over these pants. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, that was pretty rough. Shampooing my own hair. I use a microfiber towel with my curls because it doesn't rough up your cuticle as much. So I flip over my hair. I use 2 products on my hair every day. The Styling RX cream, that is this, for moisture. It seals my cuticle, puts protein back in my hair. There's vegetable protein in here. It's a heat protectant and a UV protectant. It's just a tiny amount. Unless your hair is very, very blonde or very color processed, you may want to use more, but it's not very heavy. You can't even see it. I'm just gonna put a little bit of this Perfect Curls hydrating cream. This curl cream defines my curls. It reduces frizz, it adds a little bit of argan oil, this much. And then I just kind of scrunch it in like I dried my hair. And I do a little bit around my hairline in case I have like crazy frizz there. And yeah, that's all that I do. I do that in the morning and drive to work, and it dries in maybe like 2 hours. So yeah, I can already tell the color is a good bit darker, which is cool. So yeah, I'll be back in a couple of hours. My hair is pretty much dry. First, I spray my hair with texture spray. So this is gonna add a lot of grit and texture. So already a lot more volume, and it just looks softer. It doesn't look like the curls are hard. A lot of people just tear up their hair with teasing, but if you just push with the comb, you know, it doesn't break your hair. Okay, so now that I've teased it, I'm gonna do texture spray one more time. With curly hair, some days it'll dry looking good, and then some days it just doesn't. Some days I'll use this tapered curling iron, or if it's like my second day hair, I always, if I've slept on it, I have fuzzy pieces and I have to wrap them with a curling iron. But I'm gonna finish it with hairspray. This is a flexible hairspray, so it's not gonna be crunchy. If you have naturally curly hair, I think this is an awesome way to style your hair, and it takes 5 minutes. And this is how I wear my hair every single day because it's easy. I hope you guys like this video, and I'll see you next time.